A plan to expand health care to possibly hundreds of thousands of Oklahomans.
While the plan sailed through committee today, there are still some questions and a lot of them. News source Lily Zhang is live at the Capitol. Lily.
Yeah, Jolene, Kevin, Senator Greg McCourtney is the author behind this bill, and he says it is not a typical Medicaid expansion sort of proposal. That's because if it were, they'd have to adhere to very specific and very certain rules. In this case, he says it's more about what's doing the right thing for Oklahoma.
200,000. This is how many people Senator Greg McCourtney says would be covered under Senate Bill 605, a bill expanding Insure Oklahoma. The Oklahoma Healthcare Authority says the program provides premium assistance to low-income working adults employed by small businesses. Senator McCourtney's bill directs the agency to create what's been proposed as the Oklahoma Plan.
What it is being able to use private insurance to take care of and manage the health care costs for our population. And so instead of asking a state agency to do that, and state agencies traditionally don't do that well.
McCourtney says the intent of his bill is to provide insurance for uninsured Oklahomans who would qualify for Medicaid in states that opted to expand coverage. He says more than $1 billion would come from the federal government under the proposed measure, adding it would cost a state about $141 million to implement.
This is money that we are able to find within the system. Really, we're spending money now to pay hospitals to take care of people that don't have insurance. In the end, no tax increase or anything like that.
The bill passed a Senate committee without opposition Monday morning, but not without questions.
At some point, if the federal government reduces its match, what is our obligation, and can we afford it as a state? Senator McCourtney had stated that the legislature would have to affirmatively approve any continuation in the event the federal government changes any rules to our waiver.
Now, the Oklahoma Council of Public Affairs released a statement this afternoon expressing their disappointment in this bill. They claim that it could cause much more to implement than what we're hearing. As for Senator McCourtney, he tells me that this is all a work in progress. We're live at the state capitol. Lily Zhang, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, Lily, thank you. Tonight we have